As Israel stood at the Jordan, uncertain, overwhelmed, unsure, God gave them one simple instruction. Watch for the ark. When it moves, follow. The ark represented God's presence, and the message was unmistakable. God steps into the water before His people do. Now, even if you didn't hear this Sunday's message, this single truth can reshape the way you end this year. You do not enter the future alone. You do not have to generate your own courage. You do not have to figure out anything or everything before you take a step. Your calling is not to be fearless, but to pay attention. So think back over the year. Where did God move first? Where did unexpected strength come from? And where did you find peace when you thought you'd fall apart? Where did a friendship, a conversation, a small moment of clarity meet you right when you needed it? Now, the river in Joshua didn't part because the people were brave. It parted because God was present. And the same is true as you approach 2026. God is already standing in that new year, already preparing paths you cannot yet see, already holding moments you haven't lived yet. Your work is to watch and to notice and to trust. So in your time of prayer today, I invite you to finish this sentence 3 times. In 2025, I saw God in. So let the answers come gently. In 2025, I saw God in. They don't need to be dramatic, just honest. If God is already standing in your tomorrow, in your next year, what fear might you be able to set down today?